Alright guys, without further delay, I would like to unbox this beautiful present that my wife has gotten for me. Alright, we are all set to unbox this beautiful watch. Now let's take this out. Still no idea. This white box on the side. Oh wow, look at this packaging. Well, but again, we still don't know what's inside because all of Omega's watches come in this beautiful beechwood lacquer finished wooden box as far as I know. Let's see what else comes with it. So it opens up like this, but on the side here I'm seeing an operating instruction manual, very hefty in different languages. As you can see, pretty much every language has been covered. Right, what else came in this box of trinkets? This is a card holder, leather finishing, cream color, says Omega on the back. I could actually use this. What else does this come with? Okay, so there's two cards in here. One says pictograms and it mentions the reference number of the watch. Master chronometer. Now this tells me the watch is definitely higher quality. What else? There's a small tag in here. I believe this is for the watch display when you keep it in the display at the shops. Got the reference inside this. Put this here. From what I remember, it's a push button box over here. Yeah, let's press that and unlock. Let's see what we got. Big moment, guys. Whoa, look at that. Oh my god, this is an Omega Seamaster. That is so beautiful. Whoa, look at that. Man, did not expect this. The latest Omega Seamaster with the blue dial. Is this the James Bond version? It's the new version of the James Bond version, actually.
I dare say, 007, that you've met your match with this machine.
Yeah, new model, improved specs.
Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my god, I am blown away. Did not expect this at all, guys. Let's take this cover off, examine it a little bit further. Look at that, guys. See the wave dial in here? Amazing. I was so not prepared for this. Right, let's examine it a little bit closer. All right, guys, before I go into the watch a little bit further, let's look at this box a little closer. It does deserve some closer examination. Again, beautiful beechwood finish, lacquered, and it's got this nice shine on it. Very high quality, very heavy, I must say. You guys can see the Omega Swiss-made logo on it. That logo is a push button. You press that and then you can open this watch up, which is kind of hard because I'm wearing gloves that are very slippery. And then it comes on this roll over here. Nothing additional inside, but you can see the beautiful finish on these openers over here. They are very well made. It's got the Omega logo inside. This is where you keep the watch. And it's got a beautiful red outline, which kind of goes with their symbolic logo. Beautiful stitching on this side. Not sure if this thing opens up. I think it does, actually. I was wrong, guys. It does open up. There's some additional stuff in here that we haven't looked at. I'm just going to throw this silica gel away. And it comes with this carrying pouch. Wow, so if you're traveling, you can keep your Omega in this. So to prevent scratching and all of that, and that's probably the idea. Very nice. I think you can keep your spare links in the center. Right, so basically this is a Seamaster 300 diver. It's the latest version of the 300 diver. It just came out in, I believe, 2018. And as you all know, this has been featured in almost every James Bond movie since Goldeneye in 1995. And when I first saw this, the original version, when I was, I believe, 8 or 9 years old, I fell in love with it instantly. But it was obviously very expensive for me at that time. And then other movies came, Tomorrow Never Dies, The World Is Not Enough, Die Another Day. Pierce Brosnan, starring as James Bond, wore the earlier versions of this same watch in every movie. After that, when Daniel Craig came on the scene, he wore the black version of this, I believe in Casino Royale, and then he shifted to the Planet Oceans, and those were pretty in till his latest movie, which hasn't been released yet. I think in that one he's again wearing a Seamaster 300 diver with a different bracelet and black dial with military amber markings. So it's coming back in, guys.
New model? Still press here, do I? This looks familiar.
Okay. Oh my God.
Stay calm.
I must say, with every generation, this is one watch that has only gotten better. I have never come across a Seamaster version that I did not like. Let's explore what this one has to offer. So, as you can see, it has the full ceramic bezel and very crisp and smooth action when rotating. Okay, not too much noise. Very, very smooth. Right now, it's a little tough for me because I'm wearing gloves, but otherwise, with bare hands, this is not a problem at all, guys. Right, let's put it in the 12 marker, perfect. And then you can see dial itself has waves Lovely design. And I believe this is also anti-magnetic to a certain number of Gauss. I don't know the exact number, but I'll find out for you guys later. And on the sides, you can see the Omega's crown, their symbol on it. Scallop finish, brushed chrome on the sides. Same over here with the Helium escape valve. It's actually labeled HE for Helium. By the way, this is domed sapphire crystal, not just regular sapphire. It's 15 karat, very, very tough, very resistant to scratches. Also, I forgot to point out, they have the second marker here with a red tip, which is very good. Contrast, you can see the Seamaster has also been written in red. And also I wanted to let you know, this is fully stainless steel from dial to bracelet. And the movement, the caliber 8800, which is their in-house coaxial movement, it's biting at 25,200 VP, and it contains 35 joules, which add to the smoothness of the watch. I also want to mention that these sword hands are actually rhodium plated. That is very, very amazing because rhodium is a very rare metal. It's a precious metal, and the fact that they applied this to the hand markers is very classy, I believe. And guys, so just talking about where we got this from, my wife ordered this from Joma shop, as I have gotten all my watches from there. At least most of my watches are from there. And this was on the website for $3,995. We used a $50 off coupon to reduce the price to $3,945. That's a great price because on retail this watch is for $5,200 if you get it from the Omega boutique or an authorized dealer. And that's a great savings. Right, let's do a loom test, find out how it looks. As you can see, wow, this has some really good legibility. You can see the indices are all in aqua color, but the minute marker is in green, the hour marker is in aqua, the seconds marker is in aqua, the red dot at the 12 o'clock marker for the bezel is green. So that adds a bit of contrast, I believe. That's pretty necessary when you're underwater. Right, guys, moment you've been waiting for. This is the wrist shot of the Omega Seamaster 300. This is the bracelet, and here it is, guys, the 42mm Seamaster diver. And even though I have thin wrists and 42 might be slightly on the edge for me, this sits perfectly, and obviously a watch larger than this I would probably not buy for myself. Right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this surprise unboxing of the Omega Seamaster 300. If you guys like this video, please do hit the like button. Please do subscribe to the channel, as it helps me out a lot, and do comment to let me know what your thoughts are about this. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube. Stay tuned for more amazing content coming on. Until then, this is the Opulent Life signing off. Take care, guys, and stay safe.